Hi guys, today it's me, Darshil, over here telling you how to make a paper airplane. Wait a second. There. So now here I have got one paper, one rough paper, and now I'm gonna take this paper, fold it in half, okay? For making a paper airplane, all you need is just the paper. So there, now I've done it. I'm just gonna open it again and take this one of the corners and just put it in the middle, right in the center. So I'm just gonna show like this. Okay, so I've got this done, and there should be a pointy top, as you can see mine. So like an edge. And I'm just gonna do one more time, just one more. And this should also be in the center. There. And see, I'm just gonna fold it backwards so you can see here. So like this, you can see it. And this is not done yet. I'm just gonna do like this. I'm just gonna then fold it like this again. Now this is like this, not like this, not the inwards, the outwards. Just gonna make a, and then fold it, and now you can just do like that same. So there, that's our paper airplane. You guys can see, and I'm just gonna show a fly test. And wait. So yeah, there. Now this is our paper. Remember, it was like this. There's like an edge here. Just open it, and that's your airplane. I'm just gonna straighten it up. And now, let's flow it. So you guys see this, the edge, just blow it. And then fly it. See that? I'm gonna show it now. Like this. See that? Just blow it at the end, and then just like this. This. Like you throw a ball. Not like this. Like this. Like catch. Like that. See? That was actually pretty cool. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and bye. See you in the next video.